Hello students, now we shall look at one problem. Two possible routes for laying a power line are under study. Data on the routes are as follows. So you have to lay a power line, means power cable. So there is a lake. So one thing is you can pass the power line around the lake, or you can take it underground under the lake. Okay. So if you want to take around the lake, then it is almost 15 kilometers, but under the lake it is only 5 kilometers. The initial cost for around the lake is 1,50,000 per kilometer, whereas under the lake it is costly 7,50,000 rupees per kilometer. Useful life for both the projects around the lake as well as under the lake is 15 years. That is N. Maintenance cost, that is around the lake, is 6,000 rupees per kilometer per year, whereas under the lake it is 12,000 rupees per kilometer per year. And the scrap value after the life of 15 years is 90,000 rupees per kilometer for around the lake, and 1,50,000 rupees per kilometer for under the lake. And yearly power loss is 15,000 rupees per kilometer for both. If 15% interest is used, should the power line be routed around the lake or under the lake? So you have got two proposals to lay the cable. One is around the lake and second is under the lake. If you take around the lake, it is a long distance, so it is almost 15 kilometers. If you take inside around the lake, it is only 5 kilometers. So the cost also around the lake is less, 1.5 lakhs per kilometer, whereas 7.5 lakh per kilometer under the lake. So now there are two proposals which you are going to select. Now let us see the how we are going to solve this problem. Now first we will find solve it by equivalent annual worth method. Okay. Now this is interest charge for 15%. Here interest he has given us 15%. So I have taken a photo of this 15% chart here. Okay. Now you can see 15% and 15 years. N is equal to 15 years. So I have put one underline, 0.0210. Okay. Now we will see what is this. So alternative 1, around the lake. So first cost is 1,50,000 rupees into 15 kilometers. That is 22,50,000 rupees. That is initial cost. Then maintenance cost is 6,000 rupees per kilometer for 15 kilometers. That is 90,000 rupees per year. And the losses are also 15,000 rupees per kilometer into 15 kilometers, because initial around the lake it is long, 15 kilometers. So 15,000 rupees into 15 rupees per kilometer, it gives 2,25,000 rupees is a power loss per year. Okay, so the total maintenance cost and power loss, these are like loss only. So 90,000 rupees plus 2,25,000, it is 3,15,000 is a outflow. And the salvage value is 90,000 rupees per kilometer. For 15 kilometers, it is 13,50,000 rupees. Okay, now we can see the cash flow diagram. So initially at this year 0, we are spending 22,50,000 rupees investment, because it is 1,50,000 rupees for and 15 kilometers. So 22,50,000 is the initial investment, that is P. Okay, and every year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are getting loss of 3,15,000 rupees. Okay, and the interest rate I is 15 years. And at the end of the service life of 15 years, the scrap value what I am getting is 13,50,000 rupees. Okay, that is shown as positive on the top. I think bottom it is wrong. It is not, the arrow should not be bottom. The arrow should be only on the top, 13,50,000 rupees. Bottom arrow is 3,15,000 only. Okay, this is the mistake here, sorry. Now, so how you find out the annual equivalent cost expression? So 22,50,000 rupees is the initial cost. A bar P. Okay. Now I am going to find out the equivalent amount. A bar P for 15% at the rate of 15% interest for 15 years, plus 3,15,000 rupees minus 13,50,000 rupees. This is A bar F at the rate of 15% interest for 15 years. So what will get? So now you can see this value. So by calculating for 15 years, n is equal to 15 years and percentage of interest is 15%, we get the annual equivalent value as 6,71,000 for the first proposal. Okay, that is around the lake. Now coming to under the lake, proposal 2 or alternative 2. Here the first cost is 7,50,000 rupees per kilometer, but this is only 5 kilometers. So 7,50,000 into 5 is 37,50,000 rupees, the initial principal investment. Then maintenance cost per year is 12,000 rupees per kilometer. So we have to multiply it again 5, it is 60,000 rupees per year. Power losses is 15,000 rupees per kilometer into 5 kilometers, that is 75,000 rupees per year. So the maintenance cost and power loss per year is 60,000 plus 75,000, that is 1,35,000 rupees. And the salvage value, scrap value after the 15 years period is 1,50,000 rupees into 5, that is 7,50,000 rupees. So you can see the cash flow diagram for alternative 2. The initial cost 37,50,000 rupees we have spent. Then every year we are spending 1,35,000. This diagram is correct. You can see till 15th year we are spending 1,35,000, and in the 15th year when we scrap that, sell that as a salvage, you will get 7,50,000 rupees. So the annual equivalent cost expression here is at 15% interest rate is 37,50,000 rupees. A bar P 15% for 15 years plus 1,35,000 minus scrap value, that is 7,50,000 rupees. A bar F 15% at the for 15 years. So A bar P means this is only once investment. P is principal amount. I have to find out the equivalent amount. Then A bar F means this is scrap value what I am getting once only. For that I am converting this 7,50,000 into annual equivalent amount. Okay, that is A bar F. So solving this, you will get this formula as 7,60,500 rupees. So the annual equivalent cost of alternative 1 is less than that of alternative 2. Therefore, we will select the route to go around the lake for laying the power line, because that is cheaper. Okay, here there is here the in this problem, you please understand. If you look at this problem, he is only talking about initial cost, maintenance cost, life, salvage value, but there is no revenue. It is only whatever we are investment. It is not on. It is a cost basis, like not on the cost dominated revenue, not on revenue dominated. It is cost dominated. So the cost should, whatever cost should be there, it should be the least. Okay, cost should be the least. So the least cost is for one only, item number 1, that is around the lake, and that cost is almost 6,71,000 per year, whereas under the lake it is 7,60,000 rupees. So 6,70,000 rupees what we are spending per year, it is better cost wise when compared to I am spending 7,60,000 every year for 15 years. So this is the way you calculate the annual equivalent cost expression. And again I would like to say this factors whatever is given, A bar F for 15 years and 15%, as well as A bar P 15%. This you can see the chart here. For you take the chart for 15 years, okay, sorry, 15% chart, and for 15 years you will get the values here, 0.0210, and even 0.07 also you will get here, but I think that is not coming in this. Okay, you can get this values from the chart and thus calculate the value. Okay, so this was on cost based, not revenue based. On the revenue based means revenue should be high, cost means cost should be low. Okay, this is the way you solve the problem.